If this is turned on, just know that your phone and personal data is already exposed to hackers. Hello and welcome to our channel. Whenever you buy a brand new phone, a fairly used phone, or if someone gifts you a phone, be careful to check all the settings before using it. If you bought your phone brand new, these settings might be turned off by default. But if it is on, then it might just be a factory mistake. There is what we call side loading. This is the process of bypassing the official Google Play Store and Play Protect to install apps directly on your phone. Side-loaded apps are not vetted for security compliance, quality, or privacy standards. Unfortunately for us, this process is allowed in Android. In an attempt to play smart, you yourself or the previous owner of your phone may want to get the free version of a game, a walkthrough, or any app. You now request the app developer or the website to send you a mail with an attachment of .apk file of the free version you requested for. After that, you go ahead and install it because this is turned on, not knowing that you just exposed your phone and personal data to hackers. When any app is loaded to your phone this way, either by you or by the previous owner, just know that it did not pass all security checks and your phone is already compromised. Side-loading apps to your phone is not recommended because of the dangers attached. However, if you must use this method, ensure that you are dealing with a trusted developer or a trusted website, and once the process is complete, turn this off immediately. The best is to get all your apps from Google Play Store, backed with Google Protect for your phone and data safety. Since you don't know if this feature is turned on or off in your phone, come with me as I show you how to turn this off. Navigate your phone to where you have your Gmail app. Tap and hold for a few seconds until this small drop-down menu pops out. Now tap on App Info. It will take you to this page. Then scroll down and tap on Advanced. Then scroll down to the point where you have Advanced, Install Unknown Apps. Then tap on it. It will now bring you to this page. On this page, we see that this message here is a warning and it reads, "Your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps. By installing apps from this source, you agree that you are responsible for any damage to your phone or loss of data that may result from their use." What this simply means is that Gmail is allowed to install unknown apps to your phone. This is also called installing apps through the back door, just as I said earlier about side loading, because the apps is not gotten directly from Google Play Store. If this feature is turned on in your phone, we recommend turn it off. So now, because the process of locating this page might be different for different devices, let me also show you a second method on how to find this page easy. On your phone, navigate to your main settings and tap on it. Then on this search bar, type in Install Unknown Apps. Then tap this first option. Then scroll down to here where you will find Install Unknown Apps and tap on it. It will now bring you to this page. On this page, look at it very carefully. When you look at these other apps, you will see Not Allowed below them. But when you look at Gmail app, it shows Allowed. This simply means that these other apps will never allow any unknown apps to be installed in your phone through them. But Gmail can allow any unknown app to be installed in your phone through it. Now tap on Gmail app, which will now bring us to this same page again. Now tap here to turn it off. Then tap on this back arrow, which will bring us to this page. Here, look closely at the Gmail app. Remember, it was showing allowed before we turned it off on the next page. After that, we now see here that it has also changed to not allowed. This way, it can no longer install unknown apps to your phone. Now, if you follow these two steps that I showed you, and you still found out that it is already turned off in your phone, then you are on a safer side. However, do you know if it was previously turned on and even used to install app to your phone by the previous person that used your phone? I don't want us to leave anything to chance. Just watch this next video to know what next to do in order to ensure that your phone and personal data is safe. At this point, I hope you found value in this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up. And if you wish to see more settings like this, then subscribe to our channel. Also turn on your notification bell so that when we drop new video, you will be the first to take advantage of it. I also need you to share this video to as many people as possible. Your friends, your family, and even your enemies as well. You might just be saving the next person from hackers.